push the tinnitus into the background and break the cycle of focusing on the noise. This simple yet powerful method helps reduce the distressing physical and psychological reaction to tinnitus. The more you focus on tinnitus noise, the worse it seems. That's why distracting your ears with different sounds is almost always key to feeling better. Discover the relief you've been seeking with our Proven Soundscapes for Tinnitus Therapy. Expertly crafted and clinically tested, our soundscapes are designed to effectively mask the disruptive noises of tinnitus, promoting a sense of calm and improved focus. These therapeutic sounds help you adapt to and manage tinnitus symptoms, reducing their impact on your daily life. Experience a new level of auditory relief and reclaim your peace of mind with our scientifically backed sound therapy. This audiobook, developed by world-renowned sound engineers, uses cutting-edge sound processing. Here's the simple idea. These soundscapes effectively reduce the intensity of various tinnitus types and help your brain block out the annoying noise. The masking effect relaxes your nervous system and reduces the stressful fixation on the noise. Important. While this audiobook is not a cure, professionals consider it an excellent complement to your tinnitus therapy. All you need is your smartphone or tablet. One of the 20 high-quality soundscapes developed by the Tinnitus Research Center in cooperation with leading hospitals in Europe. And good stereo headphones. Invest in high-quality products for the best sound experience. Listen at the lowest volume you can comfortably tolerate, raising it slightly if necessary. Studies suggest that an individual listening time of 15 to 60 minutes daily is very effective.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?